are Rob and Michelle, and this is our 2001 ML Super Marimu. Her name is Luna. Come along with us as we sail to new places.
Here we are starting to pull out a bunch of wires, miscellaneous equipment off the boat. Making some headway. Now we just got to find all these cables where they go and pull them out. Things are a little disarray, but things will slowly get put back together and look fine. Shell here biting on the bit, want to clean everything already.
Modest.
Well, there's our new inverters. Radio is getting started. Took out the old ones. We got all the packs of stuff that needs to be installed here. It's like a fun-filled day here of putting in, chasing wires, pulling. It's pretty nice. Still got a heck of a mess going here, but
now we're trying to trace down all the old wires and pull them through, find all the access points, removing panels, finding more wires.
one-coated nothing.
And here is our stack of wire for today. I'm sure there's still more to pull out, but this is a good start.
Well, I don't know how many days we're into this repair now, but today we're doing the alternators. 24 volt and 12 volt. There's Drew again, looking wonderful as usual. Nice and limber. He did his yoga this morning, so he'd be all flexible and ready to go this morning.
Pilates.
No, he did his Pilates.
And the alternators all the way from Switzerland?
and the alternators all the way from Europe.
So what does lightning strike usually damage? Everything at the top of the mast. So we send Drew to the rescue.
And what is Mr. Hughes up to this morning?
New speakers.
Are you qualified for this?
I watched a couple YouTube videos. That's how it works these days. Who needs instructions? Well, we got here, we got new speakers here. Run our new antenna. Probably the one not to try to drill a hole in. I'm getting caulking all over the place. Anything like that on these. Fucking really? I just fucking do that.
Yes. Yes, you did.
Put it in the wrong hole.
And on camera. Do a little pan outside, see what a pretty hot Georgia day it is.
That looks pretty straight.
Yeah.
Always seems so wrong to drill a hole in a boat.
I know, you look kind of evil with that.
And also, before I start getting too crazy, you guys can get a little bit of a before and after view of our dash. I'm going to do all new gauges, new consoles. Unfortunately, the lightning strike, the whole control panel doesn't work. All the alarm voltage alarms are on. Hour meters doesn't work. Voltmeter is working now. We got output voltage. Not too sure about the water temperature yet. But we'll get to those next. I want to run down to the hardware store and just get a 220 Makita.
Good luck with that.
Oh, you can't buy that here in the U.S. Beer time.
Now, 2 more projects to do before beer time.
Oh.
I gotta keep you motivated.
Put the carrot in front of the donkey.
Yeah.
Is that how this works? Oh, it should be good. Waterproof.
You ready for project 1.5?
That's beer drinking, right?
No.
Oh boy.
It is my nicely colored bulb.
Oh, the red bulb. Very good.
Gotta go in there. I don't trust myself with light bulbs.
Lighting up. It's red if I'm lying.
Oh, it's effective.
Defective nose, okay. You buy the wrong size bulb.
No, that's the same bulb. I read on Facebook that you could use a red Sharpie. Yep.
You know how Michelle motivates me? She'll start a project, get to some point, she knows clearly it's a project she can't do. But she'll get it all apart, make a mess of something, and say, Rob, can you come help me? Of course, it's a mess that is taken apart, so I gotta come over and do it.
I know how you work.
Know how to manipulate me. Get that on tape. Oh.
Don't drop the tool, man. So what's your thoughts on boat ownership today, honey?
I'm still waiting for the white sandy beaches. Dang. I don't know how many days left. I feel like an indentured servant. But I got our cable pulled through. This is for the autopilot. Some other gizmo for that puck. So that has to go to this. And that tells the autopilot which direction's up. So I just got to get the other cables hooked up. Ran a new cable all the way through. Yeah, it'll work. It's about time for a beer.
When do you get done?
Oh, caring for the monkey, huh?
Yep. Slave driver.
Keep on going. Keep on going. Well, we made some pretty good headway today here. We got the cabinets somewhat put up, not finished installed yet, but you can see where we've come a long ways. But we still got a pretty big mess here. There's the new gauges. Just got it kind of mocked up right now to see if everything working and everything displaying the wind and depth and everything talking, and then we'll get the rest of the wires all run correctly and hooked up. Just a quick little overview for this morning's worth of work. Well, making a little more headway. Got all the old gauges pulled out. Those haven't seen daylight in a long time. Now we just have to see how everything fits. Hopefully we make it easy. That's not the right direction. Hold that right there. Hey, no buzzers, all right!
Okay, and batteries dead.
So the next thing we're working on here is the water maker. Get the new control board in. Slice the wires. We can't finish the chart plotters or the gauges till we get some more cables in place. Slowly making headway. One little item off the list at a time. Our mess and pile of stuff everywhere is slowly thinning down. Getting there. So here we are, Tuesday evening, about 6, I think it is, 6:30. Getting the boat ready to fare the evening. The hurricane winds are supposed to pick up this evening, well, late tonight, I think 2 or 3 in the morning. But it's only predicting 15 to 20 knot winds. Oh, it shouldn't be real horrible, we don't suspect. Catamaran over here, they showed up and put a couple extra lines and that's secured pretty good. This little trawler here, I know he's on it. Kind of wish he might have doubled up his lines a little bit better, but I'm pretty sure we should be okay. The biggest real threat we have is going to be the high water. Looks like most of the boats are pretty well secured. Everybody has all their dock lines out. I think we were kind of preparing for a lot heavier winds, but yeah, you know, 15, 20 knots, that should be pretty good. Shouldn't have any real issues. I mean, even up 45, 50. Kind of nice here, we're on these concrete docks. So they're not wood. Some of the places have wooden docks where everything's wood and you walk and they kind of wobble back and forth on you. But the yeah, so these are nice, good and heavy, real stout. And tomorrow afternoon, looks like around 3 or 4, the Dorian hurricane's supposed to be off the coast of Georgia, making its way up here.
So we just have to keep our eye out for the storm surge, and that's really our biggest, biggest concern is just the storm surge. Well, 2.5 months of work, boat work, lots of stuff on this lightning strike. I think we're finally about 98% there, and a stupid mosquito just flew in here. So here's a little walk around. Everything nice and clean. Oh, looks like that's a fly maybe. Anyway, so everything nice and cleaned up here. Navigation station books all put in a nice place. We just have to put on our new Hamel stickers on the side of the boat, but we're gonna wait for that to cool down a little bit more. But overall, everything turned out really nice. I'm real happy. Drew's help doing all this work on here. Got one little item left. That's the chain counter that we got to put back on, but that will be when we get back from Maryland.
Don't forget to hit subscribe and see where our adventures take us.